Hello everyone, today our project is on voice controlled fire extinguisher robotic vehicle. So in this we have used a Raspberry Pi as a main microcontroller where it has its inbuilt operating system, and we execute the code in Python 3 idle. And this is a power supply board, whereas from battery we are getting 12 volts of input voltage, which also contains some amount of presence in AC voltage in it. And using this power supply board we will rectify that AC and filter that to a pure DC, and will regulate the output to 12 volts and 5 volts pure DC. And this 12 volts is been given to motor driver module input, whereas this motor driver module will be used to control the direction of the robotic vehicle. And then we have a relay module, a fire sensor, and a DC pump motor. So this fire sensor will be used to detect the presence of intensity of fire, intensity of light, and when that fire is being detected, the relay will automatically get triggered and a pump will pour the water on it. And to control the robot we are having a Bluetooth module. So we need to install one more app in order to control this robotic vehicle, that is AMR voice app. And there we will give the commands like forward, left, backward, right, in order to control the robot direction. Along with that we are having a 5 volts adapters and a USB camera, whereas we will give the power to this Raspberry Pi through 5 volts adapter, and this camera is been connected to the USB port of this Raspberry Pi board. And once it is powered on, you need to change your hotspot credentials as username project1 and password as 1234567889. And later install two softwares in your laptop. One is Advanced IP Scanner, another one is VNC Viewer. So with the help of Advanced IP Scanner you can able to scan the IP address of Raspberry Pi, and make sure that the laptop, Raspberry Pi and your mobile is being connected through same hotspot. Then only it will show the correct IP address of this Raspberry Pi board. And then copy the IP address of Raspberry Pi and paste it in VNC Viewer. So in VNC Viewer it will ask for administrative credentials. There you need to enter username as Pi and password as Raspberry Pi, and it will automatically show the desktop screen of the Raspberry Pi board. It will work like a remote desktop where you don't need to connect any cables from laptop to Raspberry Pi board. So that's the component explanation along with connection of Raspberry Pi to your laptop, and execution of code will be shown in next video. Thank you for listening. Once the Raspberry Pi gets connected to your laptop, your desktop screen will look like this. Here we are having robot.test.py file. Right click on it and open in Python 3 idle. To execute the code you need to click on run and then run module. And now I am giving commands to the robot through this AMR voice app. Forward, backward, left, right, stop. So in the meanwhile here we are having fire sensor. Once the fire sensor detected, pump has turned on and image is being captured, and it will send that image through mail. So the mail will come like fire alert. An image is being sent as an attachment through this mail. So that is the working of this project. Thank you.
Want to complete your academic project from home? Here is the solution, that is Takeoff Projects. First company in India providing virtual assistance for academic projects. Project assistance providing for BTech, MTech, PhD students. Our specialities: latest projects, virtual project assistance, 100% student satisfaction, affordable price, expert guidance, online project delivery. We are sure your search ends with Takeoff Projects. www.takeoffprojects.com. Call +919030333433.